The journey of the world's most expensive spice begins in saffron fields.
Each saffron flower blooms for only a short time.
Careful cultivation ensures high-quality saffron production.
Precise soil and water conditions are essential for saffron.
Thousands of saffron flowers are needed for small yields.
The valuable part of saffron lies within each flower.
Harvesting begins at the perfect moment for saffron.
The process now moves into harvesting saffron flowers.
Harvesting saffron begins at dawn, when flowers are at peak quality.
Each saffron flower is picked by hand to avoid damage.
Thousands of saffron flowers are collected daily. Freshly picked saffron must be processed quickly.
Harvesting saffron requires speed and precision.
The harvested saffron is transported immediately.
Massive quantities of saffron flowers are gathered. The process now moves into stigma separation for saffron.
The most delicate step begins: extracting saffron threads. Each saffron stigma is carefully removed by hand.
Only the finest saffron threads are selected. These threads are the heart of saffron's value. The petals are discarded, leaving pure saffron.
Each batch of saffron is carefully inspected. The extracted saffron is prepared for drying.
The process now moves into drying of saffron.
The fresh saffron threads enter the drying stage.
Temperature and airflow are carefully controlled for saffron.
As moisture evaporates, saffron develops its signature aroma. Experts monitor the condition of saffron during drying.
Air circulation ensures even drying of saffron.
The color intensifies as saffron reaches perfection.
The dried saffron is now ready for sorting.
The process now moves into grading and sorting of saffron. The dried saffron enters the quality sorting stage.
Each strand of saffron is evaluated for quality.
Saffron is classified based on color and purity.
The finest saffron shows deep red color and strong aroma.
Lower quality saffron is removed during sorting.
Each grade of saffron is carefully categorized.
Final checks ensure only premium saffron moves forward.
The process now moves into extraction of saffron into liquid gold.
The finest saffron enters the extraction stage. The saffron releases its color and aroma into liquid. The essence of saffron transforms into a rich golden extract.
Temperature and timing are critical for perfect saffron extraction.
Look at the reading here.
99.2%. This is exceptionally pure.
The liquid saffron is filtered for clarity and purity.
The result is concentrated saffron, pure liquid gold. The process now moves into packaging of saffron.
The liquid saffron is carefully packaged into premium vials.
Premium saffron threads are also packaged for sale.
Precision ensures consistent quality of saffron packaging.
The golden color of saffron reflects its rarity.
Each saffron container is sealed to preserve quality.
Luxury packaging enhances the value of saffron.
Every saffron product is inspected before distribution.
The process now moves into distribution of saffron.
Packaged saffron is stored under optimal conditions.
Saffron is prepared for global distribution.
Saffron reaches luxury markets around the world. From flour to liquid gold, saffron defines true luxury.